Chill out. Stop fighting me. Mosh pit me.
BBM status.
I'm sweating this bitch.
Ball like an athlete, bitch, ain't no stopping me. Land in your town, get money, monopoly. Bitch in the back of the car, and she topping me. Santa Claus, how I'm having the cookies. He got the pack, but I think he a rookie. I'm Big B's, but that shit is tookie. Snatch out his eyes because he was looking. He died on the stage and got hit by a bullet. You a good kid, who the fuck is you fooling? Hit his nose, he no longer got bullet. Serving white girls, they look just like Snooki. You need a show, motherfucker, just book me. Came from the bottom, they still overlook me. Bitch look like a model, she better at cooking. I'm too damn hood to be fucking with rookies. You act like a bitch, you get wet like a pussy.
Please no fuck niggas in this house.
No.
Please no goofies in this house.
No.
Fuck niggas allowed on this couch.
No, fuck niggas.
I can't hear you speak up, I'm smoking loud.
I'm smoking loud, hey.
Please no fuck niggas in this house.
No.
Please no goofies in this house.
Please no goofy
No
niggas.
fuck niggas allowed on this couch.
No.
I can't hear you speak up, I'm smoking loud.
I'm smoking loud. Hey. Ice froze, cold like snow. Ear froze, ring nose. I'm glow. You're a hoe. You're a bitch, and I know. She a bad bitch. She wanna fuck. Told her hop in my Mustang. She don't know what to expect, cause I told her I'm Mr. Everything. Married to the money, yo, little sis can't get no wedding ring. My new bitch, she Mexican. Oops, I'm in Flexican. Young nigga, but I'm a legend. I'm so heaven sent. Fuck your bitch, she cook me breakfast. I call her Yvette. Yo, bitch suck me up so fast. I call her Corvette. Cut off a nigga neck, now he can't wear a fucking turtleneck. We don't aim for legs or for face, so don't wear your vest. Hey, bitch, I'm from the west. Glow.
Grease 30 exams, families.
Mental nigga be fooling, and I know these niggas be goofy. If he a broke nigga, he can get fixed, cause I keep my life. I saw my life as a movie, he fuck niggas tryna get into it. Then I sweep him up off his feet, I call him my mop with my phone. Married to the money, we jump in the broom. I'm so high, too much weed I consume. Her pants down, we not in the room. New bitch, like $1,000, I'm tryna ball with these niggas fouling, these niggas wildin'. I'm smoking the dope, hitting the sour. How about a shower? Fuck off. Just got done fucking your bitch and all you heard was just got done shooting the clip and all you heard was I might run out on your shit and be like, man, give me that shit. I might run out of pace and be like, nigga, I need that shit.